Yes sir, rise and grind. Back at y'all with another video with the Pull-Up King. Alright, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to replace the alternator on a 05 Kia SPECTRA. Go ahead and knock this out real quick. Right there. Easy access. Look like we're going to have to get it from the bottom possibly. Might have to take out the fan.
We have emotion, nigga. We have emotion, we have emotion. Yeah.
Hit with another one.
We have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma ride for this, I'ma grind for this, I did time for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. Cause we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma grind for this, I did time for this, I'ma shine for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. We have emotion, I swear I ain't bragging and boasting. On that leaning, that's why I ain't focused.
Battery terminal's off. Before we start. Alright, we got 12mm bolts here. Loosen those. Loosen that there. Then you'll be able to move the loosen up the tension on the belt after you loosen up that 12mm at the bottom of the alternator. Alright, and that bolt right there, I can just grab it from here and take it out. Should be able to take it off completely. I'm gonna go ahead and take off that power wire. That's gonna be another 12mm. Get that out. I'm gonna go ahead and take out this fan here. This one fan. Should be these two 10mm bolts. Pull up on it. Take off the plug. Now we got better access. Should be able to pull it out right through here. There it is, right through there. So I did want to point out this bolt here. You really don't have to take it out because of how it sits in there. Alright, so that's how the bolt sits in there. Sit in there like that. Pretty much all you gotta do is just place the bolt back inside the hole and then sit the alternator in place. Alright, so I set the back in first, and now I'm gonna put the other bolt in. Hold the top bolt on. Now we got that belt back on. Alright, I wanted to show. So, tighten up the belt before you tighten up your two bolts, top and bottom. In there like swimwear. Put that fan back in there. Tighten everything up, start it up. Alright. I know what to do, man. If you're liking the content, man, give the video a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you don't miss these videos when I drop them. Pull up, King. Y'all be blessed.
Hit with another one.
We have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma ride for this, I'ma grind for this, I did time for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. Cause we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma grind for this, I did time for this, I'ma shine for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. We have emotion, I swear I ain't bragging and boasting. On that leaning, I swear I ain't focused.